Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a video on RedNote app. The first thing you need to do is open up the RedNote app and make sure that you are logged into your account. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. Now, all you need to do is look at the bottom where you will see different tabs like home, videos, and then from here, you will see the plus icon. So go ahead and tap on the plus icon to create a video. Once you do that, it will ask you for permissions to your camera roll and your camera access. You just have to allow these permissions, so just tap on allow. Once you have selected the video, you can just tap on select and then tap on next. It will take you to the editing page where you have a bunch of options to make your video attractive. For example, you can add effects to your video, you can add text or subtitles. It's mostly in Chinese, but you can also find some English text here if you search for it. Then you also have other options like adding stickers. You can trim the video if you want, so you can adjust the size of the video or the length of it. If you tap on more options, you will have other options here like template, canvas, and subtitle as well. Once you are done editing, tap on next. From here, you can add the title of your video, add a short description. If you want to add emojis, you can do that as well. Then tap on post, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.